What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an attachment for your GoPro that you can use on tree limbs out of the pieces that the GoPro originally comes with in its boxes and a few odds and ends that you might have laying around. So what we got going on here is the initial stand that it came on and the initial little multi-use clip. We got the GoPro and we got 2 hose clamps, and then I just found some wing nuts and some bolts and washers. So what I'm going to do first is open up our hose clamps because I want it to be able to go around really big tree limbs. We got those around here. So we got our Sharpie here, about the space that we'll want it to be. There'll be wiggle room, there always is. So now that we got our holes marked, we're gonna come here with a punch, make some indentations in it. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's how you drill holes in that. So we got our 2 holes. Check it out. Look at it. It looks great. Put this through here. Bam. Put the washer on. Put your wing nut on. Grab your next one. Do the same thing. You believe that? So sweet. That is nice and tight. Next step we're going to do is connect these 2, screw it on a little bit. I always like to get them underneath the turning head there. And then look at this. Bam. So this is our GoPro tree limb mount. Let's go see how it works. Alright, y'all, so look at our branch here that we're selecting for our test tree. It smells really nice up here. We need to get this tightened down around the branch. That's how you do it. Just keep going, keep going, keep going until you're tight. Didn't crush the GoPro. Good results. So our GoPro mount worked pretty well. Came down rather all right. So we got both our branches off of our tree. That's rocking. Our GoPro mount worked perfect, and that was good. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel for other videos. I'll see you next time. Peace out.